This is a game called Disc Bender's Ace Run for $9.99 US on SideQuest. I have 3 codes to give away when I do a review on this game coming soon, so hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be notified when that video is released and be in the chance to win one of those 3 codes. You are watching the Quest Digest, where I deliver this week's Quest news in under 5 minutes. First, we're going to take a look at Stride. Now, this is a game where you experience the feeling of vertigo as you stream between rooftops and flow across balconies in your effort to save the city. This is a story-driven action game with parkour. Parkour! We have no official release date for the Quest, but I did receive an email from the developer saying that they plan to release this game on the Quest at some point. Next, we take a look at Yupitergrad. Now, this puts you in the boots of a Soviet cosmonaut, and your mission is to arrive at this Jupiter base, test a device, launch an experiment to produce fuel, and return home. You have to navigate through 50 levels using hooks and boosters, and we can expect this one on Quest sometime after the third quarter of 2020. Now, this next post is very interesting. The Reddit user CuriousVR is building a tool that maps your home, your whole home, as a VR play space, and then you get to choose from 7 different mini games, and these games take advantage of all the different rooms in whatever layout you set up. So the gameplay involves moving around to different areas of your house. Interesting stuff, and they're looking for beta testers, but they've had a flood of requests, so it'd be interesting to see how they open it up for beta testing. Next up, if you want to test the pre-alpha version of Ilysia, an MMORPG coming to the Oculus Quest, you can. The link for the Discord that contains the open access alpha is in the description below, although I think these servers are only going to stay live for 4 days. Next, onto Hand Physics Lab. You can download this from SideQuest now, although this particular update where you can use hand tracking to fire guns is not yet out, but will be coming soon. I thought it was pretty cool and looking forward to trying that out for myself. Now let's jump to the official Oculus Quest store, and we see 2 upcoming titles, Gravity Lab and Alcove. Now, Gravity Lab is a VR puzzle game a bit like Gadgeteer, where you have to solve the puzzles by using objects and physics. And then there's Alcove, which is like a virtual home that you can use to hang out with friends and family. Now, you can play board games, you can share photos or watch your own video clips. You could even explore different places in the world together. Both Gravity Lab and Alcove are coming to the Oculus Quest August 20. And finally, let's take a look at the latest games from the SideQuest store. We have Hit the Stars. Now, this game is really simple. Choose a song, select a location, and start hitting these star beats as they come towards your screen. Our next title is another music-based title. Virtuoso allows you to play music in virtual reality. You can play, pause and loop separate tracks and create music by playing on different virtual reality instruments. And last but not least, we have Quintessence. This is a cyberpunk type experience. Reminds me a lot of the movie The Fifth Element. Now, it's still very early days with this one, so there's not much you can actually do apart from explore the environment, but it is a very nice environment to explore. You also get to listen to this computer AI character called Quinn that you can see on this Commodore 64 monitor right here. So that's about it for me for this week. I hope you've enjoyed this week's Quest Digest. Do remember to hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you have, and I'll catch you next time.